Hello and welcome to day 25, the last day for opening up all of these boxes. I can't pick up the Black Mirror Society one because it's underneath the box, but we are a little bit festive. I haven't really taken this off since lunch, and I got some cute little snowflake bows in my hair. So it really not, because this side was put up like perfectly well, but this one's like loose.
There's always one. It's always one side. Never both sides good.
Just frustrating. Okay, so straight into it. Starting with StitchyBox.
Oh yeah, what'd you get?
The last one. It's a pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Does it look like I know what I got yet?
No?
What did I get?
I don't know.
It is a Cookie Cricket ornament.
Oh, cute.
Quite pretty.
Hmm.
It uses like in this it's used the sparkly thread.
Oh, okay. I like sparkly thread. Haven't used it before, but
On vintage blue whisper linen. I like it. It's very small.
small things are great.
Yes. Especially with all the big ones. Alright, and then I said I would show all of the ones from Fibre. Where's the Fibre? Oh, there it is. From the Yule one.
Right. Yep.
So the fabric, I don't know whether we got to choose or whether, but I cannot remember.
If you chose sewage, I'd
so
be
this
sad.
is 18 count opalescent.
Intriguing.
It's got more pink.
Very intriguing.
So that's the fabric. And then we're totally not doing this in order because I'm not prepared. Or maybe we are actually. Okay, so number 2 was this white thread, or like platinum-ish diamond.
Yep.
2 on day 4 we got Brilliant Persephone. I think I worked out that putting it closer did more of the colour.
You should like put your hand behind it.
No, I think it's just like the camera on my computer is not good.
Like what the YouTubers do. They're like, this is the
To
colour.
get it into focus. Except this one just doesn't want to go into focus. Saturnalia.
Oh, it's like, I like that one.
Oh, there we go. It's fish. I'm like trying to keep some sense to these, but then I realised that there's no point in keeping any sense to it. We have a solstice. Like,
Oh, like the purple.
it's more pink than purple. Kind of, you know, like the pink colour for a printer, like the ink.
Okay.
Kind of like that. So the 8 day 10, we had, that's purple.
That's a
I
dark.
compare it to each.
Yeah, like that one's a magenta and that one's a dark purple.
So that one is no name because it doesn't have a name on it. It does have a name, I just
Don't know it.
yeah. Well, it says on the pattern, so I can look. Then we have wassail. It's like a lilac-y.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
It's camera's really not doing it justice.
That's okay.
I might need to stitch it and then Yule.
It looks like a unicorn.
No, it's a unicorn. Oh my god, speaking of unicorns, I made meringues that taste like unicorn dreams.
What is unicorn dream?
I don't know. I'm trying to work out. It's like the flavor is unicorn dream. And 16, I didn't have a thread in it. Hopefully I'll get one in my next shipment from there.
Yeah.
Wreath.
Oh, like a light blue.
It's more closer to teal.
Yeah, like that's light blue, teal.
No, teal's like the greeny blue.
Oh.
Which is, yeah, I think the colour on my thing's more blue actually, I think.
Sorry.
That's 18. 20 was the day before you saw.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Winter Festival.
The light blue.
Yeah, it's a light blue, whereas that's
Yes, that's like an
more green.
aquamarine.
Well, you said it was light blue.
Yeah. Light blue green.
Pegasus, as you remember.
I like
Maybe.
that one.
That's a bright blue. And the one we got yesterday was a really dark blue.
Oh, yeah.
You know, so all of them together. On the fabric.
Oh, that's nice.
Very nice. Very colourful.
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah, I'll sort that out later. Put it back in its thing. And then today's one from your wall is quite heavy. Number 25. And then we just get the scissors again because I'm not in the mood to knot it.
What is it?
Like quadruple wrapped.
Tumbler. This custom designed tumbler is just the thing to keep your hot beverage hot or cold. They're also the perfect reminder to stand out in a crowd.
Oh, yes.
I want a unicorn thing.
The unicorn and a...
Can't I have that?
Huh?
Can't I have that?
No. I like it.
Sad.
I like it. That box is mine. It wouldn't have worked. So what cross stitches did you get?
Okay, so I got pretty much, you know how I've gotten a couple of the hand little animals. So I've got
Did
the
you
little
finish
bunny.
any of them?
I did the little bunny one.
Was it a bunny?
Yeah, there was a bunny, and I think I might have done another one. Not too
I
certain
thought you
about
did
that.
the one that you didn't know what it looked like.
No, I did the bunny.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because
But
then
show me.
there's this one.
Oh, betcha.
That one.
Guinea pig.
And chocolate.
Yeah, of course.
And that one.
Kitty.
And that one.
Puppy? Or like a Dachshund or something?
Yeah.
That all?
No. And that one.
Oh, dog. No, pug. No. No pug. Is it a pug?
And that one. Yeah, it's a bug.
Oh my god, how many of these are there?
I told you. Mum went. She just gave me a collection.
You probably said at some point that you wanted to do it. Oh, and another ballerina.
Yeah. And this one. And this one.
When are you going to have time for all of them?
I don't know. Grateful to Mum, but I just don't know where I'm going to do them. The last one.
Dreamcatcher. Yeah, I haven't. Well, actually, no, I've scratched that. I have tried a Lady Stitch one, but not much of it. And that's all.
They are all of them.
Oh my god. Okay, so lucky last one to look at.
Oh, reading eyes, come on. Winter Wonderland. Stop moving. Okay, guys. Ah! Winter Wonderland Silk Humic Duo Silks for you. Merry Christmas. Use these hanks of silk on an extra special project this winter.
And it is the box that has been staring us in the face this whole time.
Oh, it's gold.
That apparently we could sneak peek in. But I didn't.
Good.
I've been good.
Yes, good. Stay away.
I've been good and I wish I hadn't.
Whoa. That's cool.
It's like huge. Got some
Whoa.
green, purples,
Green,
and that one's just straight purple.
Just straight purple.
Yeah.
Purples.
So yeah, that's all 25 gifts opened. I have to say from this last one, from Black Needle Society, was yesterday's gift. This one, and a blanket that we got.
Oh, yeah.
So, yay. Thank you to all of the people that put these together. I'm sure I will find a use for some of the stuff later on. And I'll see you tomorrow. Not you, but you.
But in a few days, you'll see me. Because you're coming down.
I know.
Okay, you could, I don't know, maybe sound a little bit more enthusiastic. You can get to see me.
It's more just the long trip to get there.
Well, yeah, well, that's kind of your fault for deciding to move to Auckland.
I wasn't the one who fully decided that.
Well, the university that you wanted to go to, yes, had some decisions.
What I wanted to study, it was your only option. So, until tomorrow, I will see you.
I'm going to eat chocolate, so bye, guys. If you see me, I might look different.
No, probably not. Bye.
Bye.